In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off background audio play in Brave browser. If you've ever had music or a video keep playing after you switch tabs or minimize the browser, this quick adjustment will stop sites from playing sound at all, which also prevents those surprise background audio moments. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the main menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the menu. From here, choose Settings. This opens Brave's control center where you can fine-tune how the browser behaves. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where Brave groups controls for tracking protection, permissions, and site behavior. Click it to continue. Next, select Site and Shield Settings. This page manages how individual sites can interact with your browser, including access to things like your camera, notifications, and, importantly for us, sound. Scroll to the Content area. You should see a link called Additional Content Settings. Click that to expand more options. Among those options, select Sound. This is the place where Brave decides whether websites are allowed to make noise. To turn off background audio play across the board, choose Don't Allow Sites to Play Sound. From this point on, websites won't be able to play audio automatically, in the background, or even in the foreground until you explicitly allow them. This is the most reliable way to stop unexpected sound from interrupting your work, calls, or music. A couple of quick notes to help you out. After changing this setting, any tabs that were already open might still follow their previous state until you reload them, so a quick refresh is a good idea. Also, if there are specific sites you trust, maybe a video platform or a meeting tool, you'll find options on the same page to manage exceptions. That way, you can keep most sites quiet while allowing sound only where you need it. If you ever want to reverse this change, come back to the same sound setting and switch it back to allowing sites to play sound. That's it. You've successfully disabled background audio in Brave. To recap the path for later: Menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site and Shield Settings, Additional Content Settings, Sound, and then Don't Allow Sites to Play Sound. With this set, Brave will keep things quiet, unless you say otherwise, giving you more control and fewer surprises while you browse.